Unbounce landing page tutorial. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about one of the best CRM softwares out there that allows you to create the most top rated landing pages. Okay. And we're going to be talking about it all in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end. Unbounce is a platform that was created a few years back, and it has slowly gained a lot of popularity when it comes to the landing page game. Okay, you can take your campaigns to the next level when you're using this software. And the best part about it is that you can start a free trial anytime for yourself as you go on. Okay, that is how incredible this is. So, to start yourself off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to unbounce.com. And once we're here in unbounce.com, first of all, we're going to go over to the pricings. Okay. So when we're over to the pricings here, we have four different plans. The build plan, where you can create unlimited landing pages quickly and easily. Experiment, where you can perform A and B testing and optimize your conversions. And then finally, optimize, where you can boost your ROI with AI traffic insights and optimizations. And then finally, you have the agency plan, which is obviously for big enterprises. But the prices are pretty hefty, like 99, 149, 249, 499. That is a pretty big price mark for a landing page builder, but you can go ahead and get started for free. Okay, that's the best part about using Unbounce. Okay. So when we're over here in the sign up section, you can either sign up with your Google or you can use any email password that you have. So I'm going to use my email password. Okay. And once we have added it in all the details, what we're going to do from there is we're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to take you through the onboarding and bring you to the pricing section. Now, here it's going to ask you to use a credit card. Now, don't worry, when it comes to using a credit card, the people at Unbounce will not be charging you until or unless your 14 days are over. And obviously, if you want to cancel before those 14 days, you can do that for yourself. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Okay. We're going to go ahead and write our name. I'm going to add e-commerce as my industry. Then I'm going to add in my business address. Okay. And once you've added all of those details, finally, we're going to add our credit card number. Okay. So I'm going to add this number, and once we have signed in and we've gotten into the Unbounce dashboard, I'm going to get straight into the platform. Now, once you have added your credit card and you've gone through the whole sign up procedure, what it's going to do from there is it's going to lead you straight to the dashboard, where you are going to go ahead and start converting more and launch your campaigns a lot faster. Okay, that is what we're going to basically be starting off with. And obviously, the Unbounce platform has a lot more products than your normal CRM, because it provides you with the privileges of building landing pages. It gives you the AI copywriting function. You have A/B testing to test your landing pages without a designer. You can also connect your favorite marketing tools and add extra functionality if you want to. AI optimization is given, templates, pop-ups and sticky bars, and also a whole lot of features. So let's go ahead and discuss about this as soon as we sign in. Now, what we're going to want to do over here is we're going to give it a little bit of our information, like our company name, our company website, and our company size. All right. So we're going to be adding all of these little nitty gritty details into the Unbounce platform. And, we're going to be working along with it. So for company size, I'm going to go with 26 to 50. For landing page experience, I'm going to go with I've built landing pages with another builder, and we're going to click on start building now. Now, once you've done that, it's going to bring you straight to the dashboard. And as you can see, it's a very beautifully, structured dashboard with a lot of great elements on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. As you can see over here, you have a lot of templates to check out from, okay? And they are all free and very good templates, okay? These are templates that the people at Unbounce have created as developers, okay? So let's say I'm going to go with this template to start actually create a landing page. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start with this one and show you how the whole editorial of Unbounce actually works. So this is the look that it gives you when it opens up. As you can see, a lot of great elements have been combined together to create this that you can individually edit, okay? And you can see the design scheme is pretty good. It looks pretty nice. Now, on the left-hand side over here, you have your index where you can actually add elements like section, box, text, etc. Over here, you have the guide settings. And generally, if you want to edit something individually in the landing page template itself, all you got to do is you're going to click on it. And as you can see, it's going to allow you to edit it. So I'm going to double click any text that I want, and it should go ahead and edit that for me or give me the privileges. Now, if I want to go ahead and edit this mask and, zoom it in, zoom it out, add my own image, I can do that. So, it's the individual elements that are allowed to be changed that matter a lot when it comes to a template. Now, over here on the right hand side, you have the properties for the different elements you have. You can change their colors, gradients. Then you have the pages properties itself as well, where you can change the pages color, the button colors, the text color. And then finally, we have conversion goals for your form submission. All right. So it's generally pretty fun stuff to have around you. Okay, so let me show you how you can actually add an element into this design. Okay, so if you want to add something, just go to the left-hand index and drag it in, or you can even use JavaScript to add it in code form. You can also use style sheets, which is basically, a good, you could say, regimen to add in a landing page editing software like this, because someone knows editing and they can use their editing means to create a landing page for themselves, then obviously this is one of the best features that they can get for themselves. So it's a pretty good and it's a pretty decent feature to have. And this is generally what the landing page editor and builder basically looks like when it comes to Unbounce. Okay, so you can get a good, decent idea of how the landing page editor works. And once you've created it, it's going to be saved right here in your pages section. So as you can see, it shows me the saved file. It shows me the saved project right here. So I can go ahead and click on it anytime. If I want to go ahead and edit it, I can share it anytime. And as you can see on the right hand side, it actually tells you the analytics for it. So how many visitors, how many conversions, how many conversion rates it has, all is provided. Okay, so yeah, that's the main idea of Unbounce and how you're going to use this incredible marketing, campaigning, and CRM software for your landing page buildings. Okay, you can generate more leads and sales with Unbounce itself, and the leading landing page platform built for marketers and agencies is provided to you. Leverage AI-driven insights powered by billions of conversions to deliver better results. Okay, and again, if you want to check out the pricings, they are right here on their page, where you can get the 4 different plans that they provide us: the $74, the $112, the $187, and $499. Okay, so choose for yourself whichever you think is better for you, and do let me know down in the comments below if you chose to use this amazing landing page builder for yourself. But yeah, that's generally all there is from my side. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you.